The Tulof dish. Drying rack is a high-quality kitchen essential designed to streamline your dish drying process with efficiency and style. Constructed with durable stainless steel, this dish rack offers both functionality and a sleek appearance that complements any kitchen decor. With product dimensions of 12.59 inches in diameter, 15.74 inches in width, and 3.54 inches in height, the Tulof dish drying rack provides ample space for drying a variety of dishware. The high-sided design ensures that water remains contained within the rack, keeping your kitchen counter clean and dry. The white color with a wooden handle adds a touch of elegance to this practical kitchen tool. The detachable feature makes it easy to clean and maintain, ensuring long-lasting use. Whether you have a small kitchen or a large one, this countertop mount dish drainer is a space-saving solution for keeping your dishes organized and dry. Ideal for drying dishware, this dish rack is a must-have for any household.
This two-tier dish drainer by Home Basics in red is a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen. Made from a combination of steel and plastic, this dish rack offers durability and stability for organizing your kitchen items efficiently. With dimensions of 14D into 17W into 11H, it provides ample space for drying dishes and utensils. The Home Basics dish drainer is designed to be placed on the kitchen counter, making it convenient for daily use. Weighing 3.34 pounds, it strikes a balance between sturdiness and portability. The vibrant red color adds a touch of flair to your kitchen decor. This dish drainer is suitable for various uses, including drying dishes and organizing kitchenware. Its two-tier design allows for better utilization of space, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Overall, the Home Basics two-tier dish drainer in red is a practical and efficient solution for keeping your kitchen organized and tidy. Its combination of steel and plastic along.
The Better Houseware 3423 compact dish drainer set is a highly efficient and well-designed kitchen accessory that provides a sleek solution for drying dishes. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel, this dish drainer is not only durable, but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. Measuring at 17 inches in diameter, 31.75 inches in width, and 59.75 inches in height, this compact dish drainer offers ample space for organizing and drying your dishes effectively. The sink mounting type allows for convenient installation, ensuring a stable and secure placement for your dish drainer. Weighing only 1 pound, the Better Houseware 3423 compact dish drainer set is lightweight and easy to move around as needed. Its special feature of space-saving design makes it ideal for smaller kitchens or limited countertop spaces, allowing you to maximize your kitchen area efficiently. Whether you have a busy household or are looking for an organized way to dry your dishes, this dish drainer.
This dish drying rack by Aoni is an essential addition to any kitchen, offering a convenient and efficient way to dry dishes and utensils. With dimensions of 16.53D into 12W into 17.32H, it provides ample space for drying multiple items simultaneously. The dark black color adds a sleek and modern touch to any kitchen decor. One of the standout features of this dish rack is its versatility and usage. It can be mounted either on the sink or tabletop, making it suitable for various kitchen setups. The adjustable design allows for customization to suit individual needs, while the premium quality materials ensure durability and sturdiness in everyday use. The removable parts of this dish rack make cleaning and maintenance a breeze, adding to its convenience. Whether for daily use or for storage purposes, this rack is designed to meet the needs of a wide range of users. Overall, the Aoni dish drying rack is a reliable and practical kitchen accessory that combines functionality with contemporary.
When it comes to optimizing kitchen space and ensuring efficient drying of dishes, the Dish Rack 2-level countertop drying rack by Zarch is a standout solution. Measuring at 16.53 inches deep, 11.81 inches wide, and 13 inches high, this sleek black rack offers not only a functional design but also a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor. With a total weight of 4.98 pounds, the dish rack 2 level provides a stable and durable platform for all your kitchen essentials. Its 2-tier structure significantly increases drying capacity while maintaining a compact footprint on your countertop. This innovative design enables you to neatly organize various utensils and kitchen items, making it an ideal utensil holder for daily use. The countertop mount feature of this rack ensures easy installation and secure placement, eliminating the need for additional hardware. One of the key highlights of this product is its large capacity, allowing you to efficiently dry a multitude of dishes, glasses.
The Tulof expandable adjustable dish rack is a versatile and essential addition to any kitchen. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this dish rack is designed to provide both functionality and durability. With product dimensions of 12.99 inches in diameter, 5.9 inches in width, and 13.11 inches in height, it offers ample space for drying dishes effectively. The Tulof dish rack, in sleek black color, complements any kitchen decor. Its adjustable feature allows you to customize the rack according to your needs, making it suitable for various dish sizes. The foldable design enables convenient storage when not in use, saving valuable countertop space. This dish rack by Tulof is designed for countertop mounting, providing stability during use. Its premium quality ensures long-lasting performance, while the removable parts make it easy to clean and maintain. Whether you need a reliable dish drainer for everyday use or organizing your kitchen efficiently, this product delivers on all.
The Tulof dish drying rack offers a practical solution for air drying your dishes efficiently. Made of durable metal, this 2-tier dish rack is designed to withstand the rigors of daily kitchen use. With product dimensions of 17.44 inches in diameter, 12.95 inches in width, and 10.24 inches in height, it provides ample space for drying various dishware items. The Tulof brand ensures quality and reliability, making this dish drainer a dependable addition to your kitchen. Its sleek black color adds a touch of elegance to your countertop, while complementing different kitchen decor styles. The mounting type for this rack is countertop mount, offering stability and ease of access. One of the standout features of this dish drying rack is its rust-resistant properties, ensuring long-term durability even in a high-moisture environment. It is specifically designed for dishware, making it a practical and essential tool for any home kitchen. Overall, the Tulof dish drying rack.
The Vaver dish drying rack is a versatile and robust kitchen accessory that I highly recommend to individuals looking for a reliable and efficient dish drainer. With dimensions of 14D into 18.5 W into 5H, this stainless steel dish rack offers ample space for drying your dishes effectively, crafted by the reputable brand Vaver. This dish drying rack boasts a sleek silver color that complements any kitchen decor. Its expandable design, ranging from 11.6 inches to 18.5 inches, makes it suitable for various sink sizes, offering convenience and flexibility. One of the standout features of this product is its rust-resistant properties, ensuring long-lasting durability and maintaining a polished appearance over time. Additionally, the rack can be used as a utensil holder and for general kitchen storage, adding to its versatility. Whether mounted over the sink or placed on a tabletop, the Vaver dish drying rack provides a stable and secure platform for your dishes with a weight limit of 4.9 pounds.
The Sterilite 062-18006 Sink Dish Rack. Drainer is a practical and efficient solution for drying your dishes. Made of durable plastic, this dish rack drainer by Sterilite is designed to provide a reliable and convenient way to air dry your dishes. With product dimensions of 13 inches in diameter, 17 inches in width, and 5 inches in height, it offers ample space for various dish sizes. The white color adds a clean and fresh look to any kitchen decor. Its countertop mount design makes it easy to place right next to your sink, allowing water to drip directly into the sink for a mess-free drying process. Weighing only 1.7 pounds, the Sterilite Sink Dish Rack. Drainer is lightweight and easy to move around as needed. Its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting durability, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. This dish drainer is ideal for drying plates, glasses, cutlery, and other kitchen items after washing. It helps free up counter space by keeping your dishes organized and neat.